Hello, good evening. My name is Panchaiti. Now, Enra, me share video bi. In fact, I'm Yikra Asempa FM presenter Bakubi. They are always screen since Yabai or President John Dramani Mahama because Mahama Edim Moa Akodo 37 military cemetery no name. And the way a manner Mahama no. In fact, it was so bad. Inti me so me imagine say me reply no. Inti me will reply bi asempa bi eka no. Inti wo de man could see just a short portion of what really happened at Asempa FM no. Wo man see the Obani kai just a short portion of it na they are missing me work no. Me reply me wono na me infama no, right?
Kanema mpeni ma osi so name was 37 military cemetery ono ewofu asenkafo okwa na ewura nesi wo manim enti ono afa moa na no ko afa nkante aden no wan fa sekai anko do enti nkasika no na mutusu no apampa so saa na wawunu se adwuma ye edin aden na moa no de koye edi no she wanimu Ghana for womudu say yenkwasiafo amanyofo no womudu say yenkwasiafo womudu say yeni no efrefra womudu say yasonti asem womudu say yadwu no adeda te say womudu ada no womu adwun say yete Ghana ha no yadwu that say womadwu no ada no mampani ben na wo ewiase fo na baby akoti se okita eyimowa okita so ededo hwanimu ene wakodo 37 cemetery we dia kakraka ye wo krefo osempo
Inti Ghana for semwati maso semwati na say politics akodu se level a ha dwen kakra na me pese me bisa obey say boni ben ne wo mu say President John Dramani Mahama wa famo wa odido boni ben ena wo yiya no say oye nhwehwenim ena wo catch President John Dramani Mahama say oye nhwehwenim oba ohu fin wate wo ye kwasia wate ohu tantantan wate Akufado ekonum kalipo no obi ya no Akufado eko wo fufuo no obi ya no Baumi eko wo fufuo no obi ya no Akufado eko 1990 gota mo no obi ya no Oko mosque eko ye Allah wagbad obi ya no Akufado ye kremo Baumi also call sorry ekoye Jesus Christ Jesus or no so a Christoni. Into what is wrong say President John Dramani Mahama akofamoa order. What is wrong? Me hu beya erua wumu wotumi biewa no eyiya President John Dramani Mahama, ex-president of the Republic of Ghana. Obi a ordinary credential etuo enea wo ti we yema 20,000 years wo credential bibia no obetumi aye betumi ni na yepe wo ya boa papa wo ye kwasia Akufado no ye nhwenim Akufado onu no ye nhwenim onu obeka chenye se obeti petrol so no want me anti petrol so no onu no ye nhwenim wo fi etwa ewuwu emu kankan wo ma me dimi togbele ewe krase wati wo ya boa wo ye kwasia Akufado ono no ehwenim Akufado aye hunu togbele o dimi autism patient no ono no oye ehwenim sa boot for boot na ye kan ye no. This is the boot for boot we are giving you. Muka say mu betumi ayi mama then you go scot free. You will never go scot free. The only problem I have ni say it pains me so China na NBC for back to that radio station say omo babe defending news headlines for the fork wasia oba hu kankan aboa mu se ade ehenya gemu tantan ti say collier ni bukom gota kwasia wo fe wo oba wo yi wo twa eto eda ho enne be ma bia ne wo beba wo twa no be ma no ye kwasia be ma ne wo sa wo ma na omo ye ti say your friend is saying kobolo boys kobolo nkwala we bola nkwala we awawo om fi wo twemu no the looks on your children tells the looks in your pussy. That your fucking pussy, your stupid pussy. Bemo ne wo no ye kwasi apa. Oba ana mami owo o ye Jimmy fuo. Wo mami owo ombedi mi trum. Kwasi obi ya mama. Mama your size. Mama your size. We can say getting the benefit of working with Asempa FM and I say what we have. Who say the qualification and fan for with Juma Manka we be found. But anka by now, who you got a movie baby? What see ya who fin or ba who fin on ye bemimi? What share your hair fun or ye nyagemo? What share here? Oba je do mama. Obe ye do mama. Onye bemimi ko mama ye twa wu mama wu ni twa mu kankan. O papa hu fin, o papa ne hu fin, shall bound kankan. A generation of monkeys was siya wo to me ya mama. Wo to me biwa no ekase ni shishe nim. Mama, wo ndisi wo be gina ndisi wana wo ye fenche no. Shall we nima wo di ya bema. Shall we nim wo shall we nima wo di ya bema. Shall we no fu egu ase ye di trailer na esusum. Ase ye di trailer na esusum. Was siya fu nyakemu. Kumo yoko ni dumo me. Wo kan wo ti se abobo ya wo dindindin asa abobo ya kwa hia yin fu enya gemu ko onye demi sizes fu next time bi ya mama biom akufado me see akufado to bela onu no ye hwenim wenim asa akufado tiko onye gbemi second time kwa hia yin se mama akwako do baby and I say oyemo o ka che o so the vote mama kita 6 million votes the aka ye kitu ebi pe o kita ni 6 million votes akufado na wa lose 2 million votes me capture all mama is not looking for your vote who crap vote to my NDC I be lose me voting my NDC onye gbemi me foolish woman like you foolish girl like you kwa si ya choba unfi hwenim as a football boot was here fu onye so me aboye when nima se bola fi wo efu ni ko yen na de don yin ose unanti ana ngo se na de wachi won tantan kwasia utumi ya jomama yo size ni ujiri oda ne nchen sho ba oda ne nchen jelodina mahama ni 8 na wo hwa uti wo nya 40 years she said ya waye she said ya as a boxer as a no na ufi well title by kwa shia here foolish woman like you politics into befa politics won ya jomama onye gbemi next time ya no biom me ameba Asempa FM me shia face to face me di be ma mingbo minkun minya o hwe ndisi fo yente sa bad ya no de be ma obi uyi ya no one uyi ya mama one me ya o 10 na ma yi Akufo-Addo 20 kwasia foolish woman who to me the man Akufo-Addo who tan we who to me the compare onukrapo respect no Akufo kwasia enye ntro ni ndada anka Akufo-Addo bet me president enye ntro ni ndada anka Akufo-Addo e wan kwasia foolish woman like you next time ya mama biom ke yojibu ni yo mi odugba ni o la feel like she yojibu next time e mama e ko kwa shia hin etamobo kona ko bisa na emu nche wonti ase o e fefe o e koli emi kwa shia fun wenim ase funu minimu din I don't even want to know your name ye tro din mama I don't even want to know your name your face is enough your face tells it all say we jimi wo ye kwasia I pity the man that fucks you. Who am about to say, who damn person will be with Chomokra, me cutting pejada, me donyame, me bema crapo, me ya fetchen. A boa, me see, say, who damn person na ye be with Chomu, I say, motorway, no ye be mukrapa, me faso da, me chain faso da. Because we nima okitei, and to me, ma cutting pejane home. Bema with Jimmy and obed dog about to say, who say you. Bema on nim nyansa akata neni ono obedo ba biti se won sei Se se breko na question wa shata ya wa ye makeup imponi na wa nye makeup anke beti sen. Wa nye makeup anke beti sen. Hwe wo ma ho tantan. Hwe wo ma ho tantan. Come and check. Hwe wo ma ho tantan. Uba ye kan uba no ma ni nyina bomu a o ma ho ofentumi ma baba ko. Wa sia. Who you wine? Who are you? Who are you? I don't blame you. Akufo-Addo onu no yen hwehwenim. Akufo-Addo. Masa, one respecting mama, yen respect Akufo-Addo. NPP for. One respecting mama, yen respect Akufo-Addo. We ya mama kwasia, ebe ya Akufo-Addo kwasia. We ya mama ni hwehwenim, ebe ya Akufo-Addo hwehwenim. Kwasia foolish woman like you. Is it how to do politics? Is politics about insult? Say nipa na akwa mo na or the ejuma or catch us all the pivot. I catch us all the pivot. Aboa wonfu you can boot for boot. This is the meaning of boot for boot. Who can you be can be? The moment of gentility no MPP for mu person yen fi gentility mu na yen ba got testimony with you and we are ready to come there with you. That is the meaning of the meaning of boot for boot. Kwasia Jimmy for Obani ni hu kan ti say agi hu aboa bela ehefu enyage moyo dade onya egbemi.
Excuse me, make a preach on Mahama, Murphy NDC we dey keep on dancing to victory on. We dey come ready. We get one a boot make steady. Akwaba, Mahama, Betty, this government make some way. You are born to win, born to lead, born to conquer them. NDC win, victory, we no go pamper them. You are born to win, Ghana needs your government. You are born to lead, Mahama, Akwaba, yeah. Your mama, hey, your mama, hey, your mama, they come like that, hey, your mama, hey, your mama, hey, your mama, they come like that, hey, more from